Good morning once again. Okay. Now did you learn what I taught you on yesterday? I told you to just read the lines and understand. You don't have to by heart. You go through the 2 points or 3 points what I taught you yesterday. That is, I taught you what? Brush your teeth 2 times. That is in the morning, after getting up and before going to bed. And then what the other thing, what did I tell you is wash your hands before eating and after. Only those 2 points. I am not teaching so much a day that you cannot keep it in your mind. No? And today I shall teach you about how to keep your body clean. That is, bathing. You know what is bathing? Huh? A bath. So how do you take a bath? How many times do you take a bath? You should take bath only once. Huh? That is when you get up in the morning. You get up, you brush your teeth, you go to the toilet, you have your bath and then put on your uniform and come back to school. That's all. When you get up once. When you get up from sleep. That is one time. Okay? Then why do you're going to ask me, Miss, enough no, Miss, we had a bath once in the morning, Miss. Why every time 2 times brushing, 2 times washing your hands, 2 times bathing? Why? Because you are a small children. Okay? Why should you bathe the second time? Means you come to school in clean uniform, yes, in white socks and black shoes and everything. But what happens is, when you come to school, you push one another, you fight with one another, your friends are there, then so many children in the class, you fight, you talk, you go and sit down with them, then when for the interval you go, fall out, playing, you fall out, you fall in the mud, okay, your dress and all becomes very dirty. So, the bell rings for you in the evening at 3:30 or something, the bell rings for you to go home. You go home with not with neat clothes, dirty clothes. Then what does your mother do? She tells you, oh my God, I sent you with such a clean uniform and then see the way you're coming back. You're coming back with a very black, dirty dress. So she tells you, come on, remove your clothes and go for a bath. So, second time is after going home from school. After going home, Mommy says, what a dirty girl you are. I sent you in such a neat uniform and 2 plaits and nice white socks and now you came back like this. How is it? Dirty. Go. First you remove your shoes and socks, take away your clothes, remove your clothes and go have a nice bath then. Go have a nice bath. Second step. So, bathing also should be done twice a day. Then what happens? When you bathe, all the family members will use only one towel. Oh my God, how dirty, no? You should have your own towel. You know towel, no? You know your own towel. When you have your bath, you take a towel and wipe your face and your body and all that. So each one in the family should have their own towels. You should not use your sisters, you should not use your father's, or you should not use your mummy's towel. No, each one should have a own towel. That is, use clean towels. So, each one should have their own towel. Don't say, Miss, I and my sister will take one towel, Miss. No. Tell your mummy. Mummy, my miss said to have one towel for one person. So, you give my sister another towel, I will take this towel. Okay? And then, after bathing a second time, also don't wear dirty clothes. You wear some nice washed clothes at home. Understand? Mummy gives you a nice bath. Such a lot of dirt will come out from your body in the evening when you go to have a bath. So after that, Mummy again wipes you with your own towel, mind you, with your own towel. So she wipes your body nicely and again a new underwear, a new frock or whatever it is. Yes or no? And then wash. So after bathing a second time, you get into your nice clothes again with a neat underwear and a frock. Again comb your hair. Okay, fresh up your face, fresh up everything. Mommy will definitely give you something to eat, some biscuits or again some complan or some breakfast again, not breakfast exactly, but something she makes for you in the evening and she gives you. After that, what do you do, my darlings? Tell me. Mommy, I watch the TV, Mommy. Then Mommy says, only 1 hour you should go to watch the TV. Then you should come back to me to do your homework. Every day your teachers will give you homework. One subject or the other. They don't pile you up with homework. They give you 1 or 2 homeworks a day. Maths, Telugu and something else and something else. So that is how you should keep yourself clean. Is that sure? How you keep yourself? Did you all understand how to keep yourselves clean? Okay. After clean, what happens? Fitness. After clean is what? Fitness of the body. Actually, fit is what? To keep the body in a proper way. Fit is what? To do exercises. What kind of exercises? Like running. Running is an exercise. You run in the morning along with your father. Go towards the Krishna Parad side. You can run. Jogging. Skipping. Cycling. And then swimming. And then what? There are so many ways of exercise. Okay? So, these are the exercises. These all come under fitness. These all come under fitness of the body. Fit means what? Fitness of the body. And some go for skating also. No? Skating also is a good game or is a good exercise. Swimming. And you see in our school how many girls go for swimming and they come back with all first prizes, second prizes. Isn't it? So fitness of the body means to do exercises like running, jogging, skipping, cycling, swimming, skating, all this. Okay. So fitness of the body means that all these what I told you, they come under fitness. And how does it help your body? Fitness helps our body to be strong and healthy. That is how the fitness of the body helps you. Understand? So when should you use all these exercises? When should you do all these exercises? Tell me. One thing is, you should do it in the morning. Don't come and tell, Miss, I don't get up till 8 o'clock, Miss. Don't think that is something great. You get up at 5:30 or 6 at the most and you tell your parents to take you out. They will be very, very happy. Understand? Then in the evenings also you can do. That is again morning and evening, 2 times. You can do all this in the morning. at about 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock or 6:30. And second one is in the evening. All this 2 times. Understood, children? Okay, let me see how many of you are going to do this exercise. Okay, children, bye. Thank you.